Combustible tanks are extremely dangerous environments to work in. These confined spaces don't have windows and typically only have one point for entry and exit, making safety very important during operations. Use Larson Electronics explosion-proof equipment to make such hazardous location projects safer and faster. Light up entry and exit points with explosion-proof manhole lights. These lights mount directly over manholes for effective illumination inside tanks. An open mounting design allows operators to see inside the tank from above while using the light for added safety. Color temperature options are also available. You can even customize our products to meet your specific needs. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.